Welcome all of you. Mukesh Gakhar here. Today my topic is arithmetic progressions. In arithmetic progressions, difference between two terms always remains same. For example, 1, 4, 7, 10. You can find out difference is same. Here 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3, 10 minus 7 is 3. We can write or we can use this formula. Difference is D is equal to A2 minus A1. Like this, A2 is second term is 4 minus first term is 1 is equal to 3. You can check here also 7 minus 4, D is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. It is A3, it is A2. A3 means third term, A2 means second term. Now we are having one more formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now I will explain this formula with this example. For example, you have to find third term. Third term means 1, 2, 3 means value of n is 3. So you have to find third term A3. So what is the value of A? A means first term. A is equal to always first term. So first term is 1 plus what is the value of n? N is 3 because we are finding third term. 3 minus 1. What is difference? The difference was 3. So A3 is 1 plus here it is 2 into 3. 1 plus 2 into 3 is 1 plus 6. It is 7. So value of A3 means third term is 7. So we are using this formula An, number of terms or nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. For example, you have to find the value of D or you have to find the value of A. You can use this formula. Now question is which term of AP? AP means arithmetic progression where difference remains same. 3, 8, 13, 18 and last term is 78. So formula is An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now An is L. You can say last term always. So what is last term? Last term is 78. So value of An is 78. And what is the value of A? A is always first term. It is 3 plus n minus 1. What is the value of D? D is difference. Second term minus first term, or you can write third term minus second term. It is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So it is value of D. So 78 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. You can take this 3 to left hand side. So 78 minus 3 is 75 is equal to 5 into n is 5n. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. You can take this 5 minus 5 to left hand side. 75 plus 5 is 5n. 80 is equal to 5n. From here you will find out n is equal to 80 divided by 5, 16. So value of n is 16. Now what is n? N is number of terms. Means 3 is first term, 8 is second term, 13 is third term. Means 78 is last term. Means total number of terms are 16. Now this question is find 12 term from end of AP minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and last term is minus 100. In this question there is we have to find 12 term from end, means from right hand side, means this first, second, third like this. So at first we have to find out how many terms are there. We'll use this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the value of An? An is always last term. Last term is minus 100. So minus 100 is equal to what is the value of A? Minus 2 plus n minus 1 into what is the value of D? You have to find out yourself. D is second term minus first term. Minus 4 minus first term is minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. So value of D is minus 2. Now you can put this value here, minus 2. So it will be minus 100 minus 2. You can take to right hand left hand side. It will be plus 2. So n minus 1 into minus 2 minus 98. Minus 2 into n is minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 will be plus 2. So this 2 you can take to the left hand side. Minus 98 minus 2 is equal to minus 2n. Minus minus plus, it will be 100. Sign will be bigger, minus. You can cut minus in minus. What will be value of n? So n value will be 100 divided by 2. It will be 50. So total 50 terms are there. Now we have to find 12 term from end. So from end formula is last term minus n minus 1 into d. So what is the value of L last term? It is minus 100 minus. We have to find out 12 term. So you can put this 12 value here in place of n. 12 minus 1 into what is the value of d? Minus 2 minus 100. So minus minus plus. 12 minus 1 is 11 into 2 minus 100 plus 22 implies it will be minus 78. So 12 term from end means from right hand side it will be minus 78. Now next question is find 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. We will apply this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the value of An? Means A11 is 38 given and A16 is 73 given. So here you can put value of N11. So it will be A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. It will A11 is 38. 38 is equal to A plus 10D. You can write like this: A plus 10D is equal to 38. First equation. Now A16 is given 73. So it will be A16 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1D. It will be A plus 15D. You can write A plus 15D is equal to value of A16 is 73. So it will be second equation, first equation, second equation. Now you have to solve these two equations. You will say change signs. Subtract you have to plus minus minus. So you can get A with A. 15 minus 10 is 5D is equal to 73 minus 38. It will be 35. So value of D will be 35 divided by 5, 7. So value of D is 7. Now you can put this value in first equation or second equation. Which equation you are finding easy? So we are putting here A plus 10D is equal to 38. It is this equation. So value of A we have to find 10. Value of D is 7. 38. So it will be A plus 70 is equal to 38. Implies A value will be 38 minus 70. It will be minus 32. Now we have to find 31st term. A31. So A31 is A plus 30D. Cause you know it is n minus 1 means 31 minus 1 will be 30. So it will be value of A is minus 32 plus 30 into D. What is the value of D? 7. So it will be minus 32 plus 210. So it will be now next one is find the sum of first 51 terms of AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. For this we have to learn this formula, Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is sum of n terms. We have to find sum of 51 terms. We will use at first this formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Because we are having second and third term. Second term is 14 and third term is 18. So second term is a2 is a plus 2 minus 1 into d. a2 is equal to a plus d. So what is the value of a2? Means second term. Second term is 14. 14 is equal to a plus d. Or we can write a plus d is equal to 14. It is first equation. Now next one is third term given. Third term is 18. So a3 is a plus 3 minus 1 into d. We have to put value here in formula. A plus n minus 1 into d. So a3 value is 18. A plus 2d. You can write like this. A plus 2d is equal to 18. Second equation. Now to solve these two equations, a plus 2d is equal to 18, and first one was a plus d is equal to 14. Change signs, cut a with a. 2d minus d, we can say 2d minus d or 1d, it is your wish. So it will be d is equal to 4. Value of d is 4. Now you have to put this value in first equation or second. I am putting this value in first equation. It is, first equation is this one. A plus d is equal to 14. So a plus d, value of d is 4. 14. Value of a will be 14 minus 4, 10. Now we have to find out sum of 51 terms. So S, value of n is 51. 51 divided by 2, 2 into, what is the value of a? Value of a is 10. Plus n minus 1 means value of n is 51 minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? Here it is 4. So 51 by 2, 2 into 10, 20. 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. It will be 51 by 2, 20 plus 54 is 200. It will be 51 by 2 into 220. You can cut this 2 by 22. It will be 11 0. So it will be 5610. So sum of 51 terms is 5610. So if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment down in comment box. For more uploads, you can check playlist also. Mukesh Gakhar here. Thanks for watching.